Hi guys, welcome back to Youth Girls India. It's me Harsh. So guys, I had came with a video with three inventions which had changed the whole world. So guys, let's go on to the video. Before going on to the video, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. In the last video, I had came with three inventions which changed the world. So guys, let's go on to the video. Smoke detector. One of the most important inventions of our modern times is the smoke detector. It is able to sense when a fire occurs because of higher levels of smoke in the room. When this happens, it sounds an alarm that is designed to wake up that building's occupants. George Andrew Darby invented the first true smoke detector in the early 20th century. It did not depend just on temperature but also included some of the sensors designed for an alarm to sound. This useful device has saved many lives and is found in virtually every modern building around the world today. In fact, NASA to develop the type of smoke detector for Skylab project. Digital watch. Today, modern watches are made in both analog mechanical form and in digital form. A digital watch or clock is a type of clock that displays the time digitally, that is in numerical or symbols, opposite to an analog mechanical clock, where the time is indicated by the positions of rotating hands. More than 40 years ago, the American watch company introduced the world's first commercial electronic digital wristwatch. It was named Pulsar and was an 18-karat gold cased device that used a red LED to tell the time to the user. However, it was very expensive. Later, the Pulsar became a subsidiary of Seiko, and inexpensive plastic straps version of digital watches were introduced into the market. Digital watches are more accurate and stylish. In addition, digital watches can be very small and inexpensive. As a result, they are often incorporated into all kinds of devices such as cars, radios, televisions, microwave ovens, standard ovens, computers, and cell phones. Cell phone. We all know that Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. However, it was in 19 that an inventor named Reginald Pheasant accumulated a remarkable feat. He made the first wireless telephone call. This achievement laid the foundation for cell phones and cellular networks. In 1947, William Ray Young proposed that radio towers arranged in a hexagonal pattern called a cell could support a telephone network. By the 1960s, Richard H. Fergal and Joel S. Engel developed the technology that could support Young's design, but it was Martin Cooper who led a team that designed the first practical cell phone. It was 25 cm long and weighed 1.1 kilograms. So guys, I think this video is useful for you. So please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, I also think that you enjoyed this video. So guys, wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.